guys, what's up? Welcome back to Sienna, and today I'm going to be fixing like bad textured and ugly slimes. This is going to be interesting. So yeah, let's get started. The first slime I'm going to be fixing is this. It looks pretty, but I don't know about the texture. Look at that. It's really pretty, but texture, I don't know. Okay, let's open it. Whoa, what is this? Oh, don't forget to subscribe, like, and put the notification bell, because this looks really bad. Wish me good luck. I'm gonna pour it on the table. I'm gonna put it. Oh, it feels so wet. But the color, it's so pretty. Guys, look at that. Whoa, so pretty. Oh, it's so wet and rubber. Oh, it's so rubber. What am I gonna do? If I add shaving cream, it won't be metallic. Oh no, it's so weird. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh my gosh, so rubber. Okay, so let's get our ingredients. It's kind of rubber and sticky, so I'm gonna go get my ingredients. So for that slime, for this slime, I think it's really pretty, but I'm gonna make it pretty. I'm gonna, I might want some snow. I don't know what I would do to it. Might add a little bit of snow, activated just in case. Whoa, it feels really weird. Okay, so I'm adding a little bit of snow. It might not fix the texture, so I'm gonna get some shaving cream. Let me get it. Shaving cream. Okay. What else do we need? So pretty. I don't want to add too much shaving cream because then it would change the color. I'm going to split it in half. Okay, that can be. Okay, I'm going to save some other slime. Whoa, it looks so nice. Guys, look at it. It's so pretty. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, so the texture is horrible. I don't really care about the looks because it's really pretty. But I might actually add some color. Which one should I do? Should I do some blue? I turned purple. And I want to do some blue. This is pink already, so I'll leave that pink. And I really want purple. It's a bit like, you know, not really, well, it is really pretty, but I don't know. I might want to make, no, it should be fine actually. So yeah, I think I should do pink and blue, and if I can try and get it purple, then that would be good. Oh, it smells so bad. I'm gonna get some scent. As you can tell, I'm trying to go for a unicorn theme. So I'm going to get some glitter. Got some like a purpley pink and some blue. It's really cool. And also I need to get a unicorn charm. And I think that's good. Yeah, that's good. So let's get started. Okay. Actually, I might not want to do. Okay, whatever. Let's just add it in, see how it goes, and yeah. If it turns purple, that'll be fine. I could do a pink and purple slime. Wait, actually, first I need to fix the texture because that's the real bad part. Let's see if I can even fix it. I'm not gonna be time. I'm not gonna be time because this is my first time. And this is really hard. Okay, that's enough. Oh, the color's so pretty. Goodbye. Like kind of a rose gold pink. Actually, no, it isn't. Okay. Guys, this isn't really working out very good. I'm gonna need to add in some more shaving cream maybe. I don't know. It went a bit lighter. I'm surprised because it's metallic. How is it still metallic? Look, this is what I've got. It's very, very rubber. This is a really fluffy slime and it's also a really crunchy slime. And I don't like that part about it because it's got lots of foam beads falling out. Okay, I'm gonna try and take them out. Okay. I don't think I can take them out. Okay, it's much better than before. I'm just gonna leave it like that and then like add in my ingredients because that normally works. I did that with this slime. Look how stretchy it is. Oh, it's so stretchy. Okay. Okay. Right. Let's add in some more shaving cream. I love the feeling of shaving cream. Okay, that's enough shaving cream because I'm running low. It's so pretty. Whoa, you can undo the swirl. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What was that? Okay. 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 Let's leave that. Like that. This is really hard. Much harder than I thought. Okay, a tiny bit of snow. Oh my gosh. Okay, okay. Oh, it's really stretchy. Wow. Okay. It smells really bad, so let's add this in. Oh, it still smells really bad, even though I added shaving cream. The shaving cream did help, but not enough. Okay. Whoa, look how stretchy. That did help a lot. Just need to mix it in. Oh no, what's gonna happen? Is this gonna work? Or is it just gonna turn into like slime organs? Oh no, it's really rubber still. I don't know if I can fix that, but I'm gonna try. All the foam beads are on me. Like what? I'm happy I didn't get any more because I was going to. That's weird. Smells better, but I'm gonna add more in. Like a lot. I'm like washing slime. Okay, there's some shaving cream there. Whoa, look how cool that is. Slime didn't poke before. I don't know if it did. Yeah, it didn't. Okay, I left a little bit slime in here because I want to show you the before and after. Ooh, it got more stretchy. Just gotta add more in. It really does help. Thank you, my friend. I don't want to say her name on camera because she gave this to me. It sounds so weird. Okay. Sorry, that's my brothers in the background. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is really stretchy. I'm gonna stretch it out so it'll be even more stretchy. Okay, that was a lot. Wow, it's so nice. It feels so good. Look how stretchy it is. Still a bit rippy, but it's still good. It is good. Don't want to add too much of that. Okay, let's start changing the color because I haven't seen any difference except from it's not metallic, which is bad. It got much stretchier. This is maybe 4. Okay. My poke is better. My stretch is better as well. Okay, is that in blue? I want this one to be blue and that one to be purple. I don't want pink anymore. Oh, it's so cool. Guys, look. Oh my gosh. Stretch is much better. Oh no, I don't want to dye my hands. Oh my gosh. It just broke. Okay, I've got to like stretch it out and add the ingredients because if I don't, then it won't be very good. I'm gonna add a tiny bit more of snow. So don't want too much. Don't want it to be a cloud slime. Just want it to fix the texture. It's really rubber. The next slime might be melted. Wait, is this turning green? Like a grayish? Oh, hopefully it isn't. That looks so pretty. Oh, look at it. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Look. There we go. So pretty. Okay. Okay. Now that it looks really nice, I need to do my other slime because oh my gosh, so cool. Wait 1 second, guys. I totally got red. Like, why wouldn't I? So honest. Is that in my red? So it can be a red, and then I'm gonna add in some blue to it, and then it will be a purple. Very smart, because this is a pink. Totally got it. Okay. Right. Poke is okay. Oh, it's so pretty. They're both so pretty. Oh no, this isn't turning blue. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's so bright. Oh my gosh, my eyes. It's kind of a purple. I really like it. Whoa, so nice. How cool that is. That's a grayishy purple, like a pinky purple. It's really nice. Wait, is it purple? I don't think it's purple actually. I might turn this one purple actually. Oh, that's good, that's good. Okay, let's mix. Oh no, what's gonna happen? Is this gonna work? Okay, I like this color. It's okay. It's a bit rubber. Smells okay. I think I might add some more like shower gel. Oh, that didn't rip. Okay. Okay. This one's really stretchy because I left it like a web. Okay. Let's try and fix this. Oh my gosh, that's big. Okay. That's a lot. Oh no, what's gonna happen? The textures are different. I think this one's more stretchier, even though I did nothing to it. Probably just magical. Okay. Look how cool that is. It's so stretchy. Okay, finished with this slime. It's like a purple. I'll change the other one to a blue if I can. I'm gonna squeeze a lot. Okay, that's a lot. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be a blue smurf after this. So blue, it's so blue. Oh my gosh. I'm turning into a Smith. Oh my gosh, why did I add so much? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, that's blue. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be hard. Why did I add that much? Okay, anyways, it's really pretty blue. They look really nice together. Yes, they look nice. But look at my hands. Okay. I'm gonna be able to wash it off after. Don't worry, guys. Wait, 1 sec. I don't wanna stain the table. Okay, guys, I got this tissue and I'm gonna wipe it off. It's gonna be all fine. Oh my gosh, look at the tissue. I'm like, fix this table. It's like the challenge, fix this table. This is kind of messy. Well, it's really messy. Because look at my hands. Whoa, it's a really nice blue. Wait, does it still stain? No, it doesn't. Oh my gosh. I stained myself a lot. Oh, yay. Okay. I'm gonna do a swirl at the end. This is like a pinkish purple. Okay. I might want to add more snow to them. They're really stretchy. You didn't just see that, right? Okay. Okay, guys. I've got some blue snow. I really like it. Let's sprinkle it on. So nice. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh, Nearly mixed. Look how stretchy it is. It's really, really stretchy. Just like that. It's spilling it everywhere. I think I added more in the blue one. Well, I think I know that I added more. Okay. Okay, guys. I think that's finished. I'm gonna move everything away from that. There you go. This is the before, and this is the after, but wait, where's my charm? Oh, here it is. I mean, here it is. I'm going to do a really